Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Brainless DIY. Hope you guys are doing quite well. In today's video, I'm trying to make a resin box with a cover and a resin leaf. Honestly speaking, I'm actually not happy with these silicone molds because I ordered them online and they are not slightly, much D-shaped. Honestly, they should be in a perfect square, which they are not. So the trick I tried here is I used popsicle sticks with hot glue gun and tried to make a square and just tied these popsicle sticks around the cover. And for the box, let me show you. There you go. Now the box is also not in a perfect square shape, which it should be according to the picture given on the packet. So what I am trying to do here is just a trick. Let's see how it turns out to be. But I'm just keeping I just make a square of popsicle sticks and just keeping the silicone mold right in between the square so that it should not move around when I pour the resin in it. And there you go. This is the leaf. Leaf is okay. The leaf is perfect. Leaf is fine. I like it. Alright, let's start this project and let's see how it turns out to be. For the initial pour, I'm using just simple transparent resin glue and gold leaf flakes. Alright, there you go. Now after pouring the first layer in all three molds, I just waited for 20 minutes to let it sit and just get a little bit thick so that my second layer is not mixed with the initial one. For the second layer, I took a transparent resin glue and mixed some mica powder, golden mica powder in it, and I'm just pouring it till the top. Now, even though I got beautiful resin leaf and a box with a cover, they are indeed beautiful. I just found them really nice and attractive, but the best part is to clean the molds. It's just so soothing. You take the stick out of your resin mold and all the leftover is removed. This is my favorite part, honestly speaking. It's so satisfying, you can't even imagine. Okay, the most important thing is to keep everything nice and clean, and for this purpose I always use this resin cleaner to keep my silicone molds clean and the surface area, and also if I get something on my hands I always clean them with resin cleaner. So it's the most useful thing. Here are the final results. If you really like my video, please like, subscribe and share. See you next time.